Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Basecamp and Google Drive using Zapier. All right, it's actually pretty easy. So first up, go ahead and go to zapier.com and create your free account. Okay. Once you have your account, you can now go ahead and click on create right here at the top left. Click on it and then just go ahead and click on Zaps. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you can now go ahead and decide whether the trigger is Basecamp or Google Drive. Let's say my trigger is Google Drive, okay? Click on it. By the way, you can go ahead and play around with the options. So let's go ahead and find Google Drive. If you can't find it right here, you can go ahead and use the search bar, all right? Click on it. Wait for it to load. You can go ahead and close suggestions if you want to. And then once that's done, just go ahead and select an account. Right here, as you can see, mine is already connected because I've been using Zapier ever since. So click on it and then go ahead and set up the trigger event. For example, there are new files coming to your Google Drive. Okay, hit on continue. Configure it, select the drive, my Google Drive, hit on continue, and just test the step. Okay. Select a record from your Google Drive. I'm just going to go ahead and select from one of the records in here. And then I'm going to hit on continue. Okay. Now, this window pop up, you can go ahead and tap away. And just go ahead and click on actions. Now go ahead and find Basecamp. Once it shows, you can now go ahead and click on it. And then again, connect your account. This window will pop up. Just basically click on yes, I'll allow access. As you can see here, it's automatic because in one browser, both of my accounts are logged in. So you just click on yes, wait for it. And here you have your organization name. So go ahead and select an action event. Okay. So maybe whenever there's a new file from Google Drive, maybe Basecamp will ask to create a message. Okay. In a message board. There you go. Click on continue. Select the account. This account. Select the project. Select the specific project. Maybe YouTube project right here. And then the subject. Maybe I'm going to go ahead and add in, hey, there's a new file from G Drive, right? For testing, enter a text or insert data, and HTML is allowed here, okay? Just a sample. And then once that's done, just go ahead and tap on continue. Test the step. Wait for it. We now got the check mark and just click on publish, okay? Before you hit on publish, I'm just going to explain something, okay? Again, when you hit on publish, you can now go ahead and close Zapier, and everything right here will be automatic. Whenever there's a new file sent to your Google Drive, Zapier right here will request Basecamp to create a message to your specific project, just like how you set it up right here, okay? Now, when you go ahead and go back to your Basecamp, say home, I'm going to refresh the website and I'm going to go ahead over to the YouTube project. And then here, as you can see, under message board, you have, hey, there's a new file from G Drive message. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.